My name is Biben Editor from Pani Studios. Okay, today I'll be showing you how to create this effect. I'm going to create a new composition here. Then I'm going to name this tutorial. I'm going to make it 15 nope 5 seconds. I'm going to click OK, then wait for it to load properly. Okay, then the next thing we're going to do, we're going to create a background. There are two ways to create a solid, and we have the layer here, new, then we click on solid, or we come to this empty space here, right click, go to new, then solid. So we're going to call this solid a background, that is for short form. I'm going to make it BG, then keep all the settings the same way, then click OK. And in my effects and preset panel, very well, so I'm going to type ramp. Okay, so we have gradient ramp up, then I'm going to apply it to the background solid. And what I'm going to do now is to bring this point here down to the middle. Okay, it's fine for me. Then I'm going to make this ramp shape to radial ramp. Then I'm going to push this guy outward. Then the colors, I want the black to be at the other side, so I'm going to swap colors, so we have something like this, one beautiful thing like this. Okay, so then next we're going to do is to change our background color. So I click on the white and take a maybe a blue color, something a little bit darker. Sure. Okay, I'm going to get something like this. Now let's use something a little bit off. Okay, so we are done with our background. So this is our background, and what we do next is to type in our text. So you click on this T icon, this is the text tool, we click on it, then at the middle here we click to create our new text layer, tutorial. Then I'm going to make this size a little bit bigger than this, so I'm going to look for my character here and increase the size. Let's make it 200. Okay, let's make it a little bit bigger. Then we're going to align it to the middle, so we click our selection tool, come to the align panel and click on this align horizontally, then come to vertical and also align it. Okay, so we're going to put I want another style, maybe a font style, another font style that will make it look a little bit different. So I'm going to double click on the text to highlight and look for the text. Let's use this. Okay, so I'm going to make it a little bit more bigger. Okay, then we're going to also centralize the text. Okay, next we want to add a little bit shadow. We come to the panel here, effects panel, then we type in drop shadow. So this is it. We drag and apply it to the text. Then we're going to make a distance a little bit more, like 28. Then opacity, then the softness, we're going to increase it, okay, to 60, and then we're going to reduce our opacity to like 50%. Okay, so I'm good with it. I'm cool with this one. So let's animate our text now. So we'll go to our text here. We'll click on this drop down. Then at the text effect, the text let's see here, this text here, we're going to add an animation called the position, and also the rotation inside. Then at the animator one, we're going to add an effect from the selector. From the selector, we're going to add wiggly into it. Then from the position and the rotation, we're going to give the position about 29. I'm going to give it 29. Then I'm going to give the rotation about 15. So we have something like this. Yeah. Okay. So let's make a little adjustment. I'm going to make it 25. Okay. So I'm good with it, but I want to do a little thing. I want to, like, the text are too close together. So at the character here, the text, I want to like have a little bit kind of space. Then we're going to align it to the middle. Okay, so yeah, let's play. Okay, so we have something like this. Then I'm going to add something like scale. So I want to go to animate and scale, and the animator 2, going to open the range selector, and going to go to the last frame of it, and the scale here, I'm going to make it 0. Then I'm going to click on this stopwatch here to create a keyframe and go about 1 second and make it 100%. So we have something like this. So we need to give it a motion blur. Then we're going to go to this, we turn on this motion blur, then we come up in this motion blur here, I'm going to turn it on for this layer, so we have something blurry like this coming up. So this is what we have. Then on this offset tool, we're going to hold every and keyframe assistant. You make it easy ease, right click. So, okay. Thank you for watching, and see you some other time. Make sure you like, share to your friends, and subscribe. Thank you.